I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the controller model and how it connects, because drivers and fixes differ. Once done, restart both PC and controller, swap USB ports, or replace batteries to remove simple faults. Make sure Windows shows the device in Devices and Printers or Bluetooth settings. If it doesn't appear, try the cable or dongle on another machine to isolate hardware versus software. These quick checks save time and tell you whether to proceed with drivers or deeper configuration. You now handle drivers and mapping, which often resolves detection and input issues. First, open Device Manager, update or uninstall the controller driver, and remove hidden devices so Windows rebuilds connections. Then install or update vendor tools, Steam Input, Xbox accessories, or manufacturer utilities, because they provide firmware updates and mapping. Once installed, calibrate and remap buttons as needed. Steam's Big Picture mode helps test profiles. If multiple controllers are present, disable conflicting virtual devices to prevent input scrambling. You finish by validating the fix across real use. Test the controller in several games and adjust in-game sensitivity and dead zones so inputs feel correct. If problems persist, try the controller on another PC or smartphone to confirm whether hardware is failing. Once validated, perform a firmware reset or reflash using the manufacturer tool, because corrupted firmware can cause sporadic behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent lag or dropouts continue, replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.